and welcome to Cars at 100. And on today's video we're gonna review a very nice product, which is a solution for cleaning your car without a water. So something interesting. Let's check it out. So as you can see here, this is 45 quick quote shinearmor, waterless wash, shine and protect. And it is waterless wash, meaning you no longer need to wash your car before using it unless it's muddy. It is a ceramic infused 3-in-1 waterless wash, shine and coat, which they claim to be an ultimate quick detailer. So let's check it out. This is 2017 Jetta GLI, and we're gonna try to see what this thing does. So if we spray this solution and wipe it, you can see how it cleans without water basically. So that's really good, I think, on the go. And this will be something nice that you can use if you don't have water around you, or you know it's uncomfortable to wash your car fully. And this is very quick, so you can just clean it like this. And you know, you can spray a little bit more here. So let's see. And yeah, overall my car is a little bit dirty, but still does the job, as you can see. So let's try it on wheels as well. So as you can see here, this wheel is a little bit dirty as well. So let's try it out. It actually smells good as well. Not bad. I would say that this is something interesting, something new, and I think you can use these types of products if you want to do a quick and good job, not just a, you know, quick and that's it, get done with it, but overall makes it look like wow. And it gives it a little shine as well. Yeah, so if you are interested in this product, I'm gonna put the information in the description box, and I will be giving this one full solution, this one full bottle, to somebody whose comment I will like the best. So yeah, let me know why you need this product and how you would benefit from it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Stay loving cars.